Tesla is increasing lithium refining capacity, which is going to be crucial to a sustainable energy economy. Today, they're breaking ground, as in yesterday, on their new in-house lithium refinery outside of Corpus Christi, Texas. This facility will prioritize the elimination of a challenging refinery byproduct, sodium sulfate. Instead, the byproduct is a mixture of sand and calcium carbonate, a viable additive in the production of construction materials, allowing them to make use of the waste downstream. So instead of having a waste product that they can't use and is pollution, they can hopefully turn most of it into another product to sell for other things. In the future, they will also process other intermediate lithium feedstocks, including those from recycled batteries and manufactured scrap, which is sick. And they're breaking ground starting now. I believe that this is supposed to be ready to go by a year from now. They're going to be able to start doing stuff, is I believe what I read. This will also produce enough battery-grade lithium to support production of 1 million cars annually. So about double what Tesla ships right now, which, not to say that they won't be hitting that by the end of the year anyways, but nonetheless, not quite there yet. Now, the goal of the new plant is to produce lithium hydroxide to support its own battery cell production in Gigafactory, Texas, and Austin. Also, by being in Corpus Christi, their New Mexico plant is fairly close to that as well. So probably for both of those plants. And at the ceremony, they showed some other pretty cool stuff. Basically, this plant is going to cost around $365 million, which will employ about 165 people full-time, plus another 250 construction jobs for about 2 years. Now, again, I believe within a year, construction should be finished and full production will be achieved in 2025, I believe is what I understood, if I understood correctly. Basically, Elon called this the license to print money because there is not enough lithium refineries in the world, and that is why they're doing it in-house. Just like everything else that they do, just bring it in-house.